Woo! Damn, boys. Alright. So, let's just pull this up real quick. Now, remember how was it right here the short trade that I took on the SPX? Well, we got some heat on it. We had some heat. It did technically hit my stop loss, but since that area right here, this area right here, had a lot of resistance, I was like, okay, I'm just gonna wait and have some patience, and I'm gonna see if there's gonna be a pullback. There was a pullback. It closed underneath. I added to my position with the stop loss being the high of that candle, and it dropped. So I took off most of my position right here on the 46.20 mark, and I'll take the rest down here at 46.11 if it gets to that. Other than that, I got the rest on break even stop loss. Let me see real quick. I'll put my phone out. Oh, here we go. So let's pull this up real quick. So percentage wise, I think we made it to like 40% profit. Let me check what we're at. Yeah, so we're at 30%. Um, when we get down there, we'll probably be maybe like 40 or 50 or something like that. But it might be finding support right here on this level, honestly. So I wouldn't be surprised if it just reverses at this point. I'm just hanging out. Let's see what else we got here. For the current trades, how are we doing on this? So Goldman Sachs right now is bouncing off of Fibonacci, hit it basically perfectly. So we want this one to go down here. All right, that's what we wanted to drop $6. uh, GM, I'm basically out of it. I just got a runner. FedEx, it hit this trend again, but it got rejected. Now, this to me is a little bit concerning since I want it to break through the trend. But I don't know if I don't think I should worry yet, considering that I want to pull back to go down farther. Like I want a pullback down here. We got a pullback down there, and then with earnings coming up, we could see a potential push upwards. You know, that's the theory. Doesn't mean it's gonna happen, but that's the theory behind it. Then we got Dropbox. Um, it ended up hitting this area that I wanted to short. I was driving, so I wasn't able to hit the short on this one, and it did pull back a little bit. If it goes back up there, I'll probably start a position. Um, uh, but other than that, like, because I want it to break down further, obviously. But this is very choppy, and it's really easy to get shorted out right now in these markets. So it's not something I'm really stressing out about. Ooh, I think I almost had to sneeze there. All right, I'm good. So Walmart came up here, and then I believe I put in a short position when Walmart was up there because I felt like it was too extended. Let me see real quick. Yeah. So I shorted. Did I short the top? I might have shorted the top by accident. I mean, it's a good thing, but it might have been on accident. Let me see here. All right. Yeah, I honestly probably shorted around this 44 mark right here, where it's at. So here, I mean, this is kind of juicy now because we're getting a retest. So I shorted a little bit more. No, no, I mean obviously this can go terribly wrong for me. You know, it's not a surprise. My stop loss is at 44.50, so I feel comfortable knowing that. Um, Other than that, I'm just looking for a drop down to this fib mark right here. So by the end of the day, I want to see this one get rejected. Like I want this half, this Fibonacci level at 43.60. I want that to get rejected. And then I'll know to push in more into this position. But you know, it could also gap up. So I mean, you're never really safe. There's no such thing as like a surefire trade. Yeah. That's what we got here. Yeah. So that's for right now. But that's the SPX scalp is doing pretty well. Pretty well. Let me see real quick. Swings. Is Amazon trying to break out? I don't think I marked the levels for my from the inside. Yeah. The reason why I wasn't really liking these are because of the long legs, but let's go through all the trade ideas real quick. I'll go back to the daily. Alright, so we got the short here. Then we're just going to go down the line. So Nike did end up going down further. It hit the next Fibonacci line. Just curious. It could find support on any of these, but I'm not really. If it's not a scalp, I don't think I'm gonna like. I don't think I'm gonna swing this. You know, I'm not that. My conviction isn't that high. All right. So we got GM. Got Bank of America. I readjust this because I went below that yesterday. Visa. It literally just hit off that trend. Off that Fibonacci. My bad. I don't know. I've never done this trade before, but it's like play off with a rejection of a major Fibonacci level, and then just like short it a couple days later, and then have like a target down here or something. I don't know. I don't know. I don't have enough because like if it starts moving against me a little bit, since I don't really do that, it makes me feel weird. Also, Facebook did not get me filled yesterday because I had it right at the line here, my order, and it ended up being like 50 cents off, and I missed a whole $10 move. It's tough, but I mean, what are you gonna do? You know, FedEx, I feel like is trying to do a bull flag here. I mean, it could break down, but I am long in it. I'm hoping for another leg down, gets filled at this major fib level, and then it'll kick off. Nvidia, Nvidia just went through the floor, found support at the point one, and then I was just kind of chilling. It could trap shorts here because I'm sure people are trying to short it under 280. So it could trap some shorts and then squeeze upwards now. Kind of like that idea a little bit. Kind of like that idea. Hmm. Let me see here. So if I no, other people are getting the same idea. No, go back down. Go back down so I can short you later. I mean, not short you. What the heck am I saying? So I can buy. There you go. So there's like a $4. Let's see how the options are doing. Because maybe I just might hit an option on it, and then okay, the options are a little expensive on this one. All right, so that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna just do a simple little buy right now. I'm risking $4 per share. So $4 a share. $4 a share. How much do I want to risk? Two, four. All right. Well, there's that much. All right. There we go. It's tough. All right. Tesla doing the same thing as Nvidia, but Tesla technically would find a little bit more downside. UPST breaking under Walmart existing, and then Rivian. They're just finding support there. I wanted to come down here and find support on this one. That would be a great entry for me, but this line is kind of doing it for him, I guess. Damn, alright. Well, I guess that's it for right now. I'll either live stream again at the end of the day, or I'm just gonna cover my positions. I mean, yeah. So there we go. It's a bit big. All right. So thanks for watching. I'll maybe I'll live stream again at the end of the day, and then we can go ahead and see how the positions are doing. But other than that, have a great day.